These are the Zenottic Hexagon glasses. They've got this gold color to them. Here's what they look like on me. Do they feel good? Yeah, they feel good. Do they look good? I don't know, you tell me. These are lightweight. I do like how they feel. They sit on the nose well. They're not super dark. You can probably see, can you see my eyes through here? They're not incredibly dark, not as much so as some of the others that I've tried out. Zenottic did send this to me for free to check out so that you can see what they look like on an actual human being and to just hear what I think about them. Let me show you a closer look real quick. In the box, you get the sunglasses themselves. Here they are again. And in all of Zenottic's products, you get a nice microfiber cloth to clean that off with their logo branding on it. And you get a nice microfiber carrying case, which I think is pretty cool. Here's what they look like again. Pretty lightweight, feels good. Zenottic's products, I've got several of their glasses now that they've sent over. Thanks again for that to check out. And so far, I've been wearing them for a few months, and all the ones that I've gotten so far have been good quality. They've held up well. These are probably the most fragile of the ones that I've gotten just because they're a thinner form factor. Most of the others that I've been wearing for my daily drivers have been a little bit thicker frames. But yeah, these feel pretty good. They're not given too much under stress. I mean, if I wanted to, I could crush them, but I could do that with a lot of things, right? Here's what they look like again on me. Hope that's helpful. Have a great one. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.